Welcome to HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about the introduction of HTML. Let's get started. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it supports font style text, pictures, graphics and animations. It is not a programming language. It is a markup language which provides a set of tags suitable for working up web pages. It is a scripting language which is responsible for the structure of the web page and the output can be seen using the browser. HTML consists of series of elements. In the next slide, we will see what is called element. We have seen that HTML consists of a series of elements and these elements are the basic building blocks of the web page. And also, these elements tells the browser how to display the content. That means the HTML element is everything from the starting tag to the closing tag. And we can define HTML element by a starting tag, some content and a closing tag. Next, we will see the syntax of HTML element. As we seen before, we can define it by a starting tag, content and the closing tag. Before saying this, we will first understand what is meant by tag. A tag is made up of left operator and a right operator and a tag name between these two operators. Opening tag is defined by the left operator and then followed by a tag name and then the right operator. Every tag can have the corresponding closing tag preceded by the backslash symbol. In between the opening and closing tag, we are having the content and this content will be displayed in the web page. So this is the syntax of HTML element. We will see some of the examples of HTML elements. This is the heading element and it is having opening tag which is having the left operator, h1 which is the tag name and the right operator and then a closing tag. Heading is placed between the opening and closing tags and this is the content which will be displayed in the web page. So this is the heading element. We will see one more example. This is the paragraph element. For the paragraph element, we have the opening tag, closing tag and the content. Here the content is paragraph and the tag name here is P. We will see some more examples. In HTML, not all the elements have the closing tag. Some elements will have only an opening tag and the example for this is image element. Here we have the opening tag and we don't have any closing tag. In the opening tag, we have the left operator, tag name which is this img and some more parameters we are having. We will see about this added parameters in the upcoming videos. So not all the HTML elements will have the closing tag. And in HTML, some elements will not have any content and such elements are called empty element. So the example for the empty element is break element. That's all about the introduction of HTML. That's all about the introduction of HTML. In the next video, we will see about HTML editors. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.